It's fabulous to be here on this evening, and we welcome all our guests to the 2014 MTA Motor Industry State Awards.
It is my great pleasure to be your co-MC for tonight's awards.
The winner is.
And the winner of the MTA New South Wales Metro Member of the Year is Nathan Smash Repairs. Congratulations.
MTA New South Wales Country Member of the Year winner, Mid-Coast Trucks.
Thank you to our peers in our category. We salute you because you were winners as well, and we wouldn't be here without you.
Behind us are all you people. You service our cars, you sell us our cars, you do everything for our cars. And I know that in my position today, I couldn't have what I have without the help of a lot of you guys out there.
Everyone here tonight that are finalists, you're all winners.
Woo! Thank you. MTA congratulates tonight's apprentice winner.
I'd just like to thank the MTA for this award.
I'm shocked.
Don't be shocked.
I'd like to thank MTA and everyone that voted for us.
I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but thank you so much.
Thank you to the MTA for this award. I'm very honoured to win the environmental award. It's something that's very close to my heart.
Thanks to my team, thanks to my lovely wife up the back, daughter and baby. Without them, they're my driving force and they make everything worthwhile. Thank you very much.
Please welcome to the stage, Chris Radburn.
And I said, oh, I'm the comedian. And he goes, oh, you don't look funny.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please thank String Diva?
MTA would like to thank their 2014 State Award sponsors. Our Auto, tonight's major sponsor, Benchmark Business and Commercial Sales, Capricorn Society, Commonwealth Bank, Green Stamp, Madison Marcus Law Firm, MTA Apprenticeships Plus and State Training Services, MTAA Superannuation, Natrad, ProVisual, QBE, and Valvoline.
To Sarah, Rachel, Michelle, Miles, Murray, Tiago, Bran, and especially to Nicole, I really am appreciative of all the hard work to make this event so successful. Thank you very much.